Hey everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your pronunciation question. Today's question is, how do I pronounce the word seat, a chair, sit, which is to rest your bottom on the chair, sheet, which is a rectangular piece of paper or something that you put on the bed, and shit, which is poop. Yes, this is an actual question. And it's a very embarrassing mistake, so let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at these words. Okay, so the two big things that we're going to talk about today are the long E versus the short I sound. Lots of confusion with these sounds. The difference here is the E is very tense. Your lips are very tense and they are smiling. E. When you do this, E, your tongue is going to be very high and very flat in your mouth. And it's going to be behind your front teeth, but not touching anything. When you relax your lips from the E to the I, you can see that my mouth opens slightly when it relaxes. When it relaxes, what is going to happen is your tongue is going to pop down just a little tiny bit, and your tongue is still going to be behind your teeth, but it's going to be more at sort of this bottom line of your teeth. So it's going to be E, I, E, I. E, I. And then the second difference with these words is going to be the S sound, S. And to do that, you're going to kind of have smiling lips, and the tip of the tongue is either going to be behind your top front teeth or pointed down to the bottom of your mouth, and it is not touching your teeth, and that's going to allow the air to move out of your mouth. S. This S sound is opposed to the SH sound, which is one sound spelled with two letters. And what you're going to do for this sound is round your lips, shh, shh. And when you round your lips, your tongue should be flat and in the middle of your mouth. And again, it is not touching your teeth at all. So we have s and shh, s, shh. And then let's look at the vowels again. E, I, E, I. Okay, let's put that all together. So word number one, we have seat, seat, seat. Word number two, sit, sit, sit. And then we're moving down here to sheet, sheet, sheet. And lastly, shit, shit, shit. Actually kind of funny. I have a hard time saying that without smiling. So let's contrast those. Seat, sit, sheet, shit. Seat, sit, sheet, shit. All right, and now let's hear my sentence. If you are going to take a shit, be sure you have a sheet of toilet paper before you sit on the toilet seat. Give it a try. I know people will notice a difference and you will no longer be embarrassed if you say one of those words incorrectly. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and share us with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you're looking for more practice, check out tarlespeech.com for our products, which are available on Google Play and iTunes. Thank you so much, and I will see you again tomorrow for video number 2. Take care.